Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the coolest platform I discovered recently. Generative AI prompt engineering is one of the famous buzzwords nowadays. Most of us are familiar with ChatGPT and many other LLM models. And as you know, there are many LLMs, there are many uh, generative AI modules, engines for us to use, and each and every engine has its own pros and cons. So we will have to log into many LLM engines or AI modules in order to get their advantages, in order to get their unique features. What if we have all of them in a single interface? What if we can have, what if we can access all of their advantages, benefits in a single tool, single platform? I came across this Magai. Some people call it as Magai. So Magai is a, an engine, is a platform which allows you to access any AI tool depending on your choice. So why you stick to one AI tool when you can access all of them in a single interface? So this is Magai official website. If you go through this website, they will talk about the different benefits, advantages, and also showcase what are the industry leading LLMs they have to offer in their platform. So let me quickly walk you through how to use this. So I do have access to Magai platform. So once you log into Magai, as you can see here, uh, you will be given a workspace for you to work. So you can basically maintain chats, you can record all your chats, and you can maintain all your prompts. You can have your own custom prompts created. As you can see here, you can create a new prompt and you can store them in different folders. So one of the coolest feature, one of the advantage of Magai is, apart from having multiple LLMs in a single screen, is basically the area, the features of the productivity and manageability, where you can maintain different prompts, different chats organized into different folders, avoiding clutter over the time. So you can basically, if you go to dashboard again, so you can see your recent chats, as well as you can create a new chat. So when you go to create new chat, you'll see you have different AI models. So you have GPT 3.5, which you get free of charge, and in case if you want to go to GPT 4, you will have to get a paid subscription. So looking at the subscription cost just to access GPT 4 versus the subscription cost to get access to all of these LLM models is something you need to evaluate yourself. So as you can see here, you have access to Gemini, GPT, and many other LLM engines over here. And also you have access to use different personas. So I have set myself as the software developer, so you can ask questions, and when you ask questions, it will identify the persona you have used here, and also you can change the persona. There are a bunch of personas provided by Magai, and you can also build your own persona as well for yourself. You can start with the existing persona, and you can build one persona specific to yourself, about your job, about your day-to-day activities. So there are a bunch of personas provided here for us to use. So you can use these models, whatever the models you want, and also select the persona you want to use, and then you can start asking questions. So I will ask a question which is very relevant to my industry, as I work in the area of middleware. So as you can see, it will basically get the response from GPT-4 model, and in case if you want to change this to something else, you can change the LLM model, AI model, and then you can ask the question again, and you can see whether there is any difference or whether you want to fine-tune the responses you are getting from different AI models. So similarly, when you go to images option, you have the ability to work with images. So you can say new image, and then you can describe the image you want, and you have options like Dolly, Leonardo, SDXL options to choose from, and it will generate the image as well. And you can also maintain different prompts, and if you go to chat once again, you will see my recent chat over here. So you have ability to create a new folder if you are working on a book, if you are working on a research paper. So you can basically create a folder, and you can store all your questions in that folder to group them accordingly. And also, as I said earlier, you can introduce custom personas using this option. So you can search from a persona, or you can import an existing persona and create a new one based on your requirement. And also what you can do here is you can basically, as I said earlier, you'll get a workspace, so you can configure who can access your workspace. So if you're working on a team environment, so you can have your other team members added to the same platform and configure who can access which workspace as well. And going back to dashboards, so you can basically once again, so you can basically switch between workspaces as well. So if you have multiple workspaces, you can switch among the workspaces as well. So yeah, so this is one of the coolest platform I discovered very recently. So you have the ability to ask questions, and also let me go to this recent chat again, pull that response over here. So one of the cool features, as you can see here in the right hand side, you can create a document on the same screen, and you can copy and paste this content over here. So you can easily copy paste, and you can create a document at the same time without having to switch between your word editors and the AI prompt. So you can easily use this chat window over here in the middle, and then you can copy paste responses to the document you have open in the right hand side, which will make your life super easy. So as I said, Magai is a super productive improvements tool. You can try out yourself. And also one other advantage here is, let me go to chat. So basically you can here have the you will have the option of sharing this document. So currently you have ability to export the document. You can convert it to plain text, or you can copy the complete, once you're done with the final document, or once you're done with collecting information, you can copy the entire text and you can take it from the tool. So as you can see, so Magai is a nice platform which I consider it something like a AI aggregator, where it will give you access to multiple AI engines or LLMs in a single screen. So this also will improve, boost your productivity when it comes to using an AI engine. So this is something I have discovered very recently, and personally I feel it's adding some value to your use of generative AI. So feel free to go through their blog and also to go through the pricing to see what their pricing model is. So there are a lot of features they are going to introduce in the near future. Make sure to check them, and yeah, thanks for watching this video.